namaste, welcome to greetarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new here, if you like the content, please support me guys, okay? Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be provided, the links of the decks will be provided in the description box, okay? So today's topic is the messages from Egyptian goddess Isis. So that is going to be the reading for today, okay? So we have three groups here. So the first group is this photo. So close your eyes, relax, and then select, okay? Intuitively select the photo, okay? Don't go with the eyes. So the second group is this, and the third group is this photo. So take your time, connect with yourself, and yeah, then select a photo. I hope you get your message, clarity, or some motivation, some inspiration, some positivity there, okay? So yeah, so take your time, pause the video. If you want more time, just pause it, okay? And in the description box I'll be providing the timestamp, so you can just watch your video, okay? So yeah, so I'm gonna start with group number 1, okay? So group 1, if you chose this photo, then this is your reading. The first message I'm getting from this pile is to be assertive about something, okay? To be assertive, don't lose hope, don't give up, be assertive and go with it, okay? Don't be in this wishy-washy energy where you're like going back and forth about something. Maybe it's your belief system, maybe you sometimes you have faith in the universe, then you don't have faith, like that kind of energy where you're believing, one day you're believing in yourself, the other day you don't believe in yourself, you doubt yourself. So don't be in that. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, be assertive about it, and then only you will be able to achieve it. So that is the first thing I'm getting, the message from goddess Isis for you guys. Be assertive. Look, we have a lot of conflict going on here, and then we have the temperance. So Isis wants you to know that balance is coming your way, okay? A lot of balance, a lot of inner balance is coming your way when you believe in yourself, when you're not in this wishy-washy energy. That is when you will get out of your conflict, because your self-doubt is stopping you from achieving the success you can have in your life. When we have self-doubt, we don't progress, right? Because we will be doubting yourself, we'll be doubting, we'll be not be confident, we will have lack of confidence, and then will not move ahead, right? Because we'll be afraid. So how we will put ourselves out there, right? So be confident. It's time to be confident. It's not the time to be in this conflicted energy. Yeah, it's difficult to get out of these conflicts, right? And maybe in the past you had that kind of experiences where you didn't get the support you deserved right now, right? You know, maybe in the childhood you had that problem, maybe your root chakra is imbalanced, I feel like that. So you need to work on that root chakra where you are very insecure about things. Maybe you're insecure about how you look, or maybe general, you know, insecurity is there inside you. So you need to work on that, okay? But I feel Archangel Michael, you know, I am getting the presence of Archangel Michael with this temperance card, that he is helping you with this achieving the balance. So if you believe in him, if you believe in goddess Isis, call upon them. They will help you to achieve that balance. And use meditations, right? There's a ton of meditations on YouTube. So for this root chakra, I feel like the root chakra and the sacral and the solar plexus, these three chakras need to be balanced. You have, you know, maybe because of your past you are so conflicted right now, but that will change. But you need to believe in yourself, that will change. Just call upon her, call upon them, work on that root chakra, because you have this insecurity problems, I feel like that. I don't know, because of that you're not believing in yourself. It's time to believe in yourself. It's time to be assertive and go with it. Don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your art or whatever it is. Don't doubt yourself, whatever you're doing, just don't doubt, because balance is coming your way, okay? Okay, with this cat, you're meant to be independent, okay? Maybe you're feeling that you cannot do things by yourself, but goddess Isis is saying that you're not meant to go with the crowd. You're meant to stand alone and stand out. You're doing good, but you are doubting yourself. So the doubt is like the thing. I feel like for some of you, self-sabotaging yourself. Maybe you do something, but you don't give it, you have an idea, but you don't work on it because you're afraid that it will not work. So you're making conclusions before that, before even attempting, you're making that it will not work and you will not do it. So that is what I'm getting getting, a self-sabotage, because of your lack of confidence, because of your lack of fear, or maybe you feel that you will not be able to make it because you don't believe in yourself. So that is what is coming. But Goddess Isis wants you to know that you are independent, you can do that, and you are healers also. Natural healer energy is also coming for some of you. Definitely I feel you will be healing yourself, you will be healing your past traumas also. I'm getting that you are going into this healing phase. When you believe in yourself, when you meditate, that is when the healing process starts, right? So you need to do some work, you need to let go of that worry and just ground yourself, connect with yourself, meditate, call upon Archangel Michael, work with Archangel Michael. You can just have as meditations, listen to guided meditations and do that. That will help you a lot. I'm getting that it's time to be assertive, it's time to go, it's time to trust yourself. It's time to finally, you need to trust yourself. Goddess Isis is saying it's time to trust, it's time to trust yourself, it's time to be independent. You don't have to depend on other people's expectations. Maybe you seek validation from other people before doing something. It's time to stop that. You don't want anyone else's validation, you just want your own validation. Just go within yourself. If you feel like you want to do it, just go and follow your dream, whatever it is. You have to express yourself. That is what I'm getting. You're not expressing your truth, you're just keeping it to yourself, you're not communicating properly. So it's time to communicate, it's time to be independent on yourself, it's time to let go of that worry. So maybe you have problem that you want everyone's validation before you do something. You don't want to have everyone's validation, you don't want that negative emotions. Maybe some people are giving you that negativity and you're taking it because you are not so confident in yourself. Maybe they are saying that you're not good enough and you're believing in it because they feel like that. It's not the case, right? So you need to let go of that energy, let go of that conflict. You need to believe in yourself, and you can be independent. You can be independent, and you can do things your way. You need to trust yourself, you need to trust the divine. That is what here it is, and it's difficult, I know, but you need to work on that. And that's when you will be able to I feel this pile, when you know your worth, when you know that you are capable, you are talented, that is when the magic will happen. You need to trust yourself, be assertive. This is the time to be assertive. Don't give up and believe in yourself. Just do it, be confident. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. Look, your soul longs to express itself creatively. Creative expression, you need to express yourself. You need to express yourself through writing, maybe it's painting, maybe it's anything, whatever it is. You are meant to express yourself. You are meant to express yourself, and you will express yourself. I get that you can express yourself, so you're meant to creatively express yourself. Goddess Isis is saying just express it, whether it's painting, drawing, writing. Express it, express all your emotions. If you have a story to tell, just go and tell it. Don't be afraid. If you want to do something, if you want to show that the real you, show the real you. I'm getting, express it, express it. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. Yeah, surrender to the magic of you, who you are. You're not trusting yourself. You have this talent that you're not expressing, you're not giving it out to the world because you're so in doubt. Maybe, as I said in the past, there were people who compared you to other people and who told you that you're not worthy enough, you're not good enough, and that is what is hindering your progress. I'm getting. So you need to understand, the Isis goddess wants you to know that you have the magic within yourself. Okay, you have that. So embrace your magic because you are unique, you're meant to thrive. So believe in yourself. You have this creative thing, you have this talent. Express it. Go. Your soul is telling you for such a long time. Are you listening to your soul? Just be assertive. Why you are doubting yourself? So that is what you're unique, you're meant to shine. You need to accept yourself the way you are. That is what I'm getting. Yeah, this cycle is gonna end, guys. This is ending. So during new moon or during full moon, release that things, release the emotions that is stopping you from achieving your full potential. So write it down, say it to the divine, cry and say it, and just let it go, because this thing is stopping you. You're not able to express yourself properly because you're not understanding your own value, you're not understanding your own wealth, because the society, because your people, because maybe your parents have told you that you're not worthy and you're believing in it. And I don't blame, I know that it's difficult because it's not your problem, because they have put that into your subconscious mind, and you need to reprogram your subconscious mind. That is what it's been there, and I think it. But the only thing I have to say with this like Isis goddess is saying you that you need to believe in yourself, and this cycle is going to end soon. Believe in yourself, guys. That is what. And trust yourself, trust this talent that you have, and Remember, you are worthy. You are worthy, guys. You are worthy. You're meant to shine. You're born to shine. Don't let other people opinions because of other people opinions, don't pay, because I don't give up because of other people opinions. Just express yourself. Don't think about other people. Just do what you want to do. And look, we have the creator here. You have this King of Wands energy, the creator. You are meant to create something very unique. You have that talent. You have the something creative. You're meant to express it. You're meant to give it to the world. Maybe it's your own experiences that you are meant to share with other people, just through art, through writings, whatever it is. But you are meant to express it, because you will create something unique and you will thrive. Okay, so I feel for this pile, the main thing is to believe in themselves, to surrender to the magic of yourself. You need to believe in yourself and believe in your own talent. Don't compare yourself with anyone else, or don't take anyone's else negativity on yourself, because it's theirs. It's not you. It's not you, guys. You're worthy. You are loved by your divine. Isis goddess wants you to know that you can be independent. You don't have to depend on anyone, because you can make your own decisions. You don't have to ask for others' permission to make a decision. Just go with yourself. Listen to your heart. Your soul is saying something to you for so long. Are you listening? So that is what the question. It's like, don't give up now. Just go with it. Okay, it's tough. It's tough. You need to do it's tough. I know it's tough. It's not so easy, but definitely this is the message I'm getting here. To believe in yourself, to believe in your own magic, to believe in your own talents, to believe in your own creativity, to believe in your own if you're a painter, believe in that. If you're a writer, believe in it. Whatever you are doing, so believe in it. Okay, you are the creator. You can create new things that world has not seen, right? You will have that. You have that power, but solar plexus energy is also coming here. You need to work on that. As I said, root chakra, sacral chakra, and the solar plexus, these three chakras are imbalanced. You need to work on that. Okay, so use meditations, guided meditations there are, so that might help you. Okay, so let's see the stickers for you. What are the extra messages through stickers, okay, for group number 1. So let's see. Okay, yeah. Oh, look, you are beautiful. Look, so maybe in the past people have told you you're not beautiful. No, you are beautiful. Your soul is beautiful. You are beautiful from inside out. Remember that, guys. It's never too late. It's never too late. Okay, yeah, maybe for some of you are feeling that it's too late to start that. It's too late to do that. No, it's not too late. It's all about yourself. You are putting yourself in a box. You are not believing in yourself. I know that it's because of other people. Definitely I feel like that, because other people have made you feel like that in the past, and it's not. It's now the time is to believe in yourself. You're amazing. Believe in you. Believe in your own unique things. Do what you love. Don't do what other people love, what other people are telling you to do. Do what you feel like doing. Okay, remember that. Smile, laugh, be happy, love yourself, dance with yourself. Remember that you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Look, you're braver, you're stronger and smarter, and that you don't know your own potential, because people, I feel you have been in that toxic environment for so long that you don't believe in yourself, because people have made you feel like that. But remember, this reading is for you to know that you are amazing. You can achieve whatever other people, you can achieve big things. You have that much talent. You have so much to express. Your soul has so much to express, because it's not been expressed. And maybe for some of you did think that you are like age, you have crossed this age, you can't do it. No, you can do anything at any age. What is stopping you from achieving that? Is it other people will think that, oh my god, she is this age and she's starting that? Is it other people think? Why are you thinking about other people? Do what your soul wants you to know. It's never too late. Okay, attitude is everything. Just that is what it's saying. Again, we have a pineapple. Yes, stand strong. Okay, imagine with all your might, believe with all your heart, achieve with all your might. Imagine with all your might, believe with all your heart, achieve with all your might. That is what the message is here for. Okay, so let's see what the charms have to add to this. Group number 1. Yeah. Okay, like we have this bee. Okay. So yeah, I feel for you guys, um, when you believe in yourself, when you start something, you will form a community where you will give voice to the same people, um, who have experienced the same thing as you. I don't know, if you have started something, I feel you will build a community. And if you haven't started, in the future you will build a community where the same experience, there are people who have experienced the same things as you, and you will be giving a platform to them or something like that. I feel like that. Okay, you will have a lot of energy, you will I feel if you start this thing, I don't know, I feel you will be forming a community, you will be taking that direction, leap of faith. So this message is like, if you have started something, you're going to do it, just go with it. If you're you need to believe in it yourself. So you have been thinking about something, don't give up, just go with it, because yeah, I feel like that you are like, it's time to be assertive. As I said, it's time to not to give up, just go with it, just follow that path, keep on moving forward. You are in the right path right now. Finally you are, you need to believe more in yourself. As I said, it's like, just, yeah, believe in yourself. It's like, yeah, believe it. That's all the messages. Like Isis God is saying, you have so much to give to this world. Why are you not believing in yourself? You're meant to form a community where you will be helping people. You will be giving a stage. You will be providing a space for the people where the same people who have experienced the same things like you, they will be, they will be getting support, and you will be able to support other people. So people will be supporting you, forming a community. That is what I'm getting here. You're going good. Okay, so let's see what else. R, we have what is this? Q. Okay, Q, or no, it's D. Sorry, it's D, I guess. Okay, then we have L. Let's see what else we have. H, F, I, E, U, O, blank, and Z and E. Okay. Don't be afraid to start from zero. I'm getting here. Don't be afraid to start from scratch. Okay, whatever you're doing, don't be afraid to do that. Okay, your experience is enough. You can, you have a lot of experience about something, so don't be afraid to start from scratch. I'm getting that energy here. Okay, yeah, you're going to be in this fire energy. I'm getting, you need to express. Your soul is like, you want to express. You have so much of creativity inside you. You have, it's time to express yourself. That is what you have. You can create something that is very different from others. You're thinking, you have something to give to this world. That is what I'm getting, something different. You're the creator. You can create new things. That is what, some unique things that will, something unique thing. Yeah, something that no one has done, something very unique, something very innovative. I'm getting here. That is also is coming through. Okay, so believe in yourself. It's never too late to start anything. Whatever your age is, even it's 40, it's 50, it's never too late. Remember that. You can do anything at any age. Don't lose hope at this time, because you know, whatever your past is, it's past. Now it's your future. You can build a new future for yourself. So believe in yourself and express that. Don't be afraid to start from scratch. Even if you're thinking for some, if you're thinking, just go forward and do it. Okay, that's all. Bye bye, take care, guys. So group number 2, if you chose this photo, then this is your reading. So the first message I'm getting, it's like Isis Goddess wants you to know that you need to create with the universe. Okay, so for you, this group, I feel law of attraction. If you're not doing that, it's time to start doing law of attraction, something like that. Scripting, that might help you. Okay, for manifestations, it will help you. You need to create with universe. You need to co-create with universe. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. And yeah, it's time to be more like embrace peace in your life. I'm getting here. Don't be too stressed. Also with this white lotus, I'm getting, you need to ground your energies. For some of you, definitely you're stressing about the things. You're imagining things a lot. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe with this energy I'm getting here, you're imagining quite a lot of things that is not actually there. Yeah, I'm getting that energy from here. Yeah, you're overthinking a lot of things. Sometimes we tend to overthink things, and that is not even the reality. So I don't know why I'm getting that. Or maybe for some of you, imagination is good. If you're like in a creative field or something, your imagination will help you to write that. So take your imaginations and put it on the paper. If you're writers or something like that, just write it down. I'm getting that also. Yeah, unity. Okay, we have Two of Pentacles energy here. So balancing things. Oh, imagination. Okay, oh my god, that was like Seven of Cups energy. You know, I didn't see the cards, but definitely okay. Anyways, so that's important, the imagination. For some of you, this Pisces energy I'm feeling here with this imagination. So sometimes, you know, you are imagining a lot of things. For some of you, it's like the divine knowledge you're getting. So maybe if you're in a creative field, definitely take that idea, because that will help you a lot. And for some of you, you are very confused about certain things, right? Maybe you have two choices and you don't know what to do. Okay, so that is the time you need to trust yourself. Okay, trust your heart, which choice is good for you. Okay, and for some of you, definitely if you have two things at the same time, you will be able to balance. Okay, maybe for some of you, if you have a career, if you have to balance home life, if you're stressing about that, don't stress about that. You will be able to balance your career and your home life perfectly. So if you're planning to conceive, and if you don't know whether you'll be able to manage your career or you manage your home, you know, if you be able to manage your both the things, you know, I feel Isis goddess wants you to know that you will be able to manage everything, because you are multitaskers. You will be able to manage two things at a time. Okay, don't imagine too much. Don't, like, sometimes what we do is we stress about the future so much, and we think that is not even reality. Okay, and we stress about it. For example, you know, if you have a headache and you do Google search and when you do the Google search, it becomes something different, right, from the headache. It's important you just show a doctor and get clarity about that. Instead, we just Google search, and we tend to, yeah, it becomes something else. The headache becomes something else, and we get afraid about it. So we imagine a lot, right? That kind of energy I'm feeling for you guys. You're imagining a lot. For some of you, this imagination is good, because if you're writing something, if you're in creative field, this imagination will give you a lot of success. And for some of you, it's like your mental health and physical health will be affected because of this stress. Okay, so you need to balance. For some of you, definitely the balance is coming, so you need to let go of that imagination. Don't overthink about things. There is a lot of overthinking, so instead you connect with the universe, create with universe. So it's important you think what you actually want in your life. Don't think that what you don't want. So when you think a lot what you don't want, that might manifest there. So remember that. So it's important. Okay, so choose positive thoughts. Okay, yeah, as I said, you know, hawk messenger, as I said, you know, you have a lot of imagination. So your imagination, if you're writers, if you're in this creative field, definitely you're getting a lot of inspiration through your imagination. So just write it down. I'm getting here that, really I'm getting here that. And for some of you, you are getting messages also, and because your imagination is so wild, you're not able to listen to your heart. That is also I'm getting. So let go of that stress. If you're over stressing about something, like if you like, as I said, you know, googling something, and a small headache becomes a big thing, right? Don't do that. Don't make small things big. So that is also important. Connect with yourself. You're not able to connect because you're imbalanced. For some of you, definitely there is imbalance because you're overthinking a lot. So it's important you ground your energy, connect with the universe, you know, only think things that you want to focus on, that you want to manifest in your life. Don't think the things that you don't want to manifest. Okay, that's important here. You choose loving thoughts, choose positive thoughts. Okay, yeah, sometimes we tend into negativity. It's okay, some days it's okay, but I feel for you guys, you are like very big overthinkers. You'll think of very much, and there is imbalance coming here. So you need to ground your energy. You need to meditate. You need to connect with nature, or you need just call upon Isis goddess for help. Okay, or yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Okay, teacher awakens. You have something important to share. Follow the inner call. Don't let anything stop you. So for some of you, as I said, you know, your imagination is very important. But this teacher card, you have a lot of wisdom to share. Or maybe this teacher, you know, maybe you have this book. I don't know why I'm getting this book energy here. You have a book to write. You have a book to write and you are stressing about it. You want to write, but you are like, oh, whether I should do it or not. Just go and follow your gut feeling and just do it anyways. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You have a lot to share, you have a lot to give to other people. Okay, you are like a teacher, you're a motivator. Okay, just give it to. If you want to write that blog, go and write that blog. If you want to make a video, just go and make a video and upload it, right? So you are overthinking about things, just let that overthinking go. Yeah, oh my god, look at that. Books, you connect to your, yeah, you are, for some of you, your answers are in the books I'm getting here. Okay. And with these books, as I said, maybe you are meant to write a book, and if you want to write a blog book, if you want to start an Instagram page where you will be giving positive thoughts to other people, just go with it. Okay, just do it. But before that, you need to let your wild imagination, let it go, let that confusion go, because you are stressing a lot about it. So you just ground yourself. Maybe you have this talent, you have this creativity, and you're doubting it. Don't doubt that. Isis Goddess wants you to know that it's not the time to doubt, it's the time to give your gifts. You have this talent, just give it to the world. Show yourself to the world, show your knowledge to the world. Okay. And yes, for some of you, there are answers inside the book. You're meant to have a lot of information, you're meant to read, you're meant to learn. I feel this pile is like meant to learn a lot of things. If you don't know about law of attraction, read books about it and just do it, because you will be able to manifest good things in your life. Okay. Yeah, books, a book is there, there is a book that you need to read. I'm getting that energy also. Just go and read that book. Okay, you will get your answers in that book. That is also I'm getting. And yes, you have this quality, this unique quality, and you're stressing whether it is like good to start this page, whether I should open this YouTube channel, whether I should start an Instagram page. You're just overstressing. Instead of overstressing, do it anyway, guys. Whatever the outcome is, just do it. Go and do it. That is what I'm getting. Yeah, surrender to wonder and awe. Yes, I feel like that. You will read a book and you will be like, oh my god, what is this? I was not open to this information. You will be like so wondering to things. So just surrender that. Like I'm getting, you will have a light bulb moments, like aha moments. A lot aha moments are coming in your way, because you are connecting with your divine self right now. In the past, you were not so connected, you were like closed off. Right now, in the future, I see you will be connecting, you will be manifesting with universe. So a lot of information is coming in. You will be like, oh my god, I didn't knew this, right? That kind of energy. And I'm getting, you will be learning, at the same time you will be teaching other people. You're not going to keep this information to yourself, you're going to share it with others. So that is your purpose, maybe sharing information. You will be learning things and you'll be giving to other people, like that kind of energy. So yeah, a lot of aha moments are coming. I feel like that for you guys. Yeah, nothingness. Yes, you need to go into this here. Yeah, exhaustion. Right now you are working a lot. Maybe you're doing this 9 to 5 job, you're completely exhausted, and you don't know what to do with your life, because you're manifesting the past life, because you're always in this repeat mode, in this routine. You have this routine and keep on doing that, and because of that you're exhausted. You are mentally exhausted, physically exhausted. So for that, this cycle is completing, and that's the good thing. But you need to connect with yourself. Don't think about anything, and just go into nothingness, like the blank space, like this is the black color in the, where your mind is not thinking anything, and just get it within yourself, and that's when you will get all your answers. So yeah, with this 5 energy, things are changing for you. This exhaustion period is going to complete. You're going to do something that you like. Maybe you will be accessing a lot of information that will give you a new path. I'm getting, yeah, some new information is coming your way. Some light bulb moment will come where you will be able to do new things in your life. You're going to create new opportunities, and for that you have to connect with the universe. You will be manifesting with the universe. I feel like that's a lot of new information. Isis Goddess is saying a lot of new information will be coming your way. So surrender to that, and this new information will give you a lot of happiness. And yes, that is where you will be connecting connecting yourself, and you will be you are going to live a new life. I feel like that you will be balancing things easily. If you had problem in the past balancing things where you were not able to balance things, in the future I see you will be balancing things. You know, as I said, you will be learning as well as you will be teaching. If you have worries, let go of that worries, because you're gonna do it. Okay, so yeah, definitely one message, as I said, a book is waiting for you to read, and this book will give you a lot of information. And I feel this exhaustion, this period where you are doing the same things and you're getting bored, that is going to go away, and you're going to connect with yourself. Something new is coming in your life that will give you a lot of happiness. I feel like that you will be like, yes, I want to do this. Oh my god, I was not aware of this. Wow, this is so awesome. Like that kind of energy where you will be like connecting with yourself again. You'll be passionate about teaching things to other people, because you were not you know, there is some knowledge coming your way. There's something that you didn't know before, that will, you know, some information will come, and that information will make you so happy, and you will be giving that information to other people. That will help other people's life, because you are changing your life, at the same time you will be changing other people's life. So if you want to start that YouTube channel, go and start it. If you wanted to start that blog, if you want to write that book, just go and do it. Okay, so that is what Isis has for you, goddess. So let's see what the stickers have for you guys for group number 2. I'm closing my eyes, guys. Let's see. Okay, so yeah. Okay, be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet. Wow, look at that. That is your first message here. Be a pineapple, guys. Okay, look, you never fail until you stop trying. That is the thing. You never fail until you stop trying. When you stop trying, that is when you fail. If you keep, you know, life will teach you. You will have to face failures. If you stop it, if you give up, then you will not win. But if you don't give up and move forward with it, then that is when you will win. Okay, so that is important here. What else for you guys? Oh my god, sorry. Virgo energy. Yeah, let go of that perfectionism energy I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you need to let go of that. And yeah, you cannot be everything to everyone, I'm getting here. You need to take some time for yourself also. Some self-care is important here. Take care of yourself. Okay, if you want to give light to others, you have to glow yourself. So that is where, you know, that is the thing, you know, you will be glowing yourself. You will be learning something new, and then you will be teaching. You are going to give that light to other. You are going to shine first, and then you will be giving light to other people. So some new information you will get. Some books will give you new information, and that you will be like, wow, and why I didn't know this before. And that is when your life is going to change completely. So whatever you want to do, keep doing. Even if you fail, just get up and go with it, because that will give you know, when you stop trying, then only you will fail. Otherwise you will not fail, right? So you have so much of light to give to other people, so shine that light. Don't give up. Okay, yeah, that is what I'm getting for you guys. So let's see. Connect with the universe. You can co-create with the universe. That is also I'm getting here. Let's see what else you have for chance for group number 2. Okay. Rose, look, crown. Okay. We have this nothingness also here. Like you know, you are, I don't know, I feel like that the divine is with you. I'm getting that energy. The divine is with you. Okay, the priest. Maybe for some of you, definitely your inner knowing is too good. Okay, you need to trust that. Like a priest energy, priestess energy I'm feeling here. Okay, you need to trust yourself. That is what I'm getting. You need to trust your inner knowing. You need to trust your heart, yourself. Okay, yeah. Oh, we have some money coming your way. Okay, definitely love, money, recognition, maybe recognition. Yeah, maybe if you start a YouTube channel, you will be recognized. You will form a community where people will be like acknowledging you for your hard work. They will be giving you a higher position. That can also happen. Okay, yeah, rabbit, abundance. Rabbit also talks about abundance, new way of opportunities, maybe new way you will make money. Maybe you will make money through different sources. Okay, that can also happen. Okay, be patient, guys. With this tortoise, things will not be like, it will not go very quickly. It will be slow. Okay, then we have this deer. Do with love, you know. Don't do with love. Love yourself, be gentle to yourself, nurture yourself, and then do something for others. First you need to nurture yourself, and then do you know, give that to other people. When you don't do that, if you don't have any self, if your cup is empty, how you will give? That is the thing. You need to nurture yourself, take care of yourself, and then give it to other people. Okay, so you have a lot of letters here. We will be you will yeah, okay, we will do this and then we will start. Okay, so let's see what the letters have to add. Let's see. For group number 2, we have K, we have I, O, W, X, C, okay, M, U. I don't know, I'm getting this knowledge. Yeah, with this 5 knowledge, a lot of knowledge is coming your way. A lot of wisdom is coming your way. Knowledge from the divine, or maybe you will be reading spiritual books and you will be like a lot of esoteric knowledge maybe, and that will help you a lot. I'm getting that also. You will have a lot of knowledge, and that knowledge will change your life, and you will be giving that to other people, and you will be changing other people's life. A lot of knowingness, that is what I'm getting here. For some of you, knowledge is going to be it's time to seek that knowledge, because this knowledge will give you rewards in the future. I'm getting that also. Okay, TT A U R D P O. Okay, anything else? Yeah, release your past, release your fears. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of knowingness. Okay. Okay, so that's all for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you choose this card, then this is your reading from Goddess Isis. So I feel I'm attracted to this red color. So red color is very important to you guys. I feel like that for some of you, red color is important, and red color talks about passion, right? Passion, energy. So you are going to be very, very energetic. I feel like that you will have so much of energy to do the things. I feel like that. Yes, energy. Your energy is going to be very high vibration also. I'm feeling like that you're going to be in your own, you will be happy with yourself. I'm getting here. And for some of you, if you're waiting for something, be patient. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Don't be impatient about anything, because your hard work is going to pay off. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, and yeah, you angels, I can see the feathers here. So angels are with you. Okay, they are protecting you. Guardian angels are with you. They are giving you the answers you need. So sit quietly with yourself. Try to meditate. If you're meditating, then it's good, because meditation will give you all the answers. I'm getting here. Yeah, everything is gonna happen at the correct timing also for you guys. I'm getting here. So let's see what the cards have to add to this. So let's see. Okay, so oh my god, look at the first card you got, guys. You got the Sun card. Wow, happiness is coming. You'll be very, very happy. If you're in a relationship, you will be very happy. So if you're waiting for someone, don't wait, just go and ask them out. I'm getting here. I don't know why I'm getting that. So if you're it's time to take action. If you want to do something, take action. Don't wait for someone else to come. If you want to say something to someone, just go and say it. If you want to express your feelings, just go and say something, because that will give you a lot of happiness. So it's not the time to shy away. It's not the time to it's not the time to wait. I'm getting here also. If you want to say something to someone, just go and say, because that will give you a lot of happiness. I don't know why I'm getting that, but maybe if you feel like, trust your intuition though. That is important here. Okay, so if you're like feeling like, yes, you need to say this to this person, if you want to speak your truth to someone, if you want to clarify things to someone, just go for it. If your heart is saying so, just go for it. Okay, if your heart is saying to take your passion, if your heart is saying, yeah, let this hobby of yours be your, if you want to make your hobby a career, just go for it. It's time to trust your intuition here with this intuition card also. And we have this King of Swords energy. So you, with this lightning, you have in the past there were problems, there were obstacles, but I see that is all moving. Okay, moving away. The sun is coming here. Okay, so everything is like working in your favor. That is the goddess Isis wants you to know that everything is working in your favor. trust your intuition. We have the word intuition here over with this King of Swords. So it's there, and look, we have the feathers here also, right? So the angels are near you, they are protecting you, they are giving you a lot of signs, I guess. Maybe you're seeing a lot of signs, a lot of numbers, okay? So trust it. Whenever you see a number, see what you're thinking at that time, because you will get your answers, okay? So it's important that. And with this sun card, I'm also feeling that maybe some of you will become mothers, and Isis is a motherly, she's a very motherly figure. And yeah, if you want to conceive, I see that might happen, okay? If it that might happen, yeah. And maybe you're birthing new ideas, okay? Giving birth to new ideas, and that will be very, very successful. I feel happy outcomes are coming for you guys. You will be happy in your home life, happy in your career. If you are single, you will be happy in your single life, right? So that is what I'm getting. But you need to just trust your intuition, your gut feeling, and be confident about yourself, okay? Confident in whatever you do. Be confident in whatever you do, okay? That is what I'm getting here. We have faith in the universe, because universe is with you, okay? So we have snow leopard. You are strongly independent and often solitary. Integrity is important for your best outcome. Cloak yourself with invisibility and walk with the shamans. Oh my god, this is very powerful. Use your intuition and let your life unfold in silent perfection. So yes, I don't know, I feel if you want to do something independently, as I said, if you want to make your hobby a career, and you want to do something home business or something, some like freelancing, or maybe you start a YouTube channel, work by yourself, work for yourself, that is going to be very, very you will be very happy in that field. I feel this pile is like often introverts. I don't know why I'm feeling like that. You're very wise people, and you're like introverts, you know everything, your intuition is very, very strong. Trust your intuition, go with your intuition, because your intuition will lead to the perfection. Whatever you want in your life, you will be able to achieve when you listen to your heart. It's time to listen to your intuition. Trust your intuition, and your intuition is on point. I feel like that your intuition is very, very strong, and it will lead to you to success only, okay? And yeah, as I said, whenever you're feeling stressed, sit with yourself in peace, empty your mind. Don't go in the crowd at that time. Just sit with yourself, because when you're alone, you get your answers, okay? You work, I feel, for this pile, when you work alone, if you are like doing something by yourself, that will lead to a lot of happiness, lot of success, okay? That doesn't mean that you cannot work with other people. You can, I'm not saying, but trust your gut feeling. That is what I'm getting here. Trust your gut feeling here. For some of you, you might be like psychics also. I'm getting that vibe also here. Maybe you do some spiritual work, and that will lead you to success, okay? You have this connection, you have a higher power with you. I feel like that you're divinely guided in every step. As I said, a lot of angelic presence I felt with this pile. So yeah, you have a lot of angelic presence near you. They are helping you, okay? All the archangels are with you, so believe in them and move forward, okay? And whenever you are stuck, when you are feeling stuck, don't go for other people advice. Just listen to your heart. Yeah, that is what the one thing Goddess Isis wants you to know, that listen to your heart. You don't want anyone else advice for you. Whenever you're feeling stuck, whenever you're feeling confused, just go within yourself and ask. Divine will give you the answers. Everything is inside you. You have that light to shine, and you are meant to give that light to other people also. But first, you need to take care of yourself. You need to do something for yourself. So whatever your passion is, go with it. So listen to your heart. Now is the time to listen to the heart. That is what I'm feeling here, okay? Yeah, again, I was talking about heart, and we got the heart awakening card here. Awaken to accept and divine love, give and receive in balance. As I said, it's time to receive that. So for some of you, you are receiving signs, but you're not taking notice about it, or maybe you're not acknowledging it. So it's time to acknowledge that. Whenever you see a sign, acknowledge it, okay? And acknowledge the feelings you have at that time, because that will give you the answer. So yes, for some of you, definitely you're opening your heart center, that because of maybe in the past it was closed. I see that is opening up. You are healing. I'm getting that vibe. Healing energy is coming. Healing energy, you are healing, and you will heal other people also. I feel this pile is also healers also, healers, light workers, that kind of pile. Very, very spiritual pile here. You're meant to help other people, but you are meant to lead a happy life here, right? You are not meant to live in darkness. You're meant to live in light. You are life is going to be very, very shining. I feel like that you will be able to achieve your dreams. But yes, when you connect with yourself, when you accept the divine love, that is when the magic happens. Okay, so don't stress about it, don't be impatient, believe in divine timing, and be patient with yourself, because things are gonna happen for you guys. Okay, maybe something magical will happen for you that you never expected. That kind of energy I'm feeling. So Isis, goddess wants you to know that you have so much of magic, you have so much of power. Acknowledge it. Okay, trust your intuition. It's time to trust your intuition, not other people. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, so wow, family, loving your friends and family is central to your life purpose. So family is also, I feel for many of you will be healing your family. Maybe you're healing your ancestors, you breaking a cycle pattern of your family, doing something different from other people. Maybe you will do a career that is not, no one has done that type of career. Maybe there's something related to spirituality you will be doing. So you might be doing something completely different from your family members, and people will be like, oh my god, what is she doing? And then they will be like, I feel you will get the support. You will get the support from your family. And your family, I know for you, this pile, your family is very important for you guys, and you will get the support from your family. Okay, even if you felt like they are not supporting your own if you feel like that you are on your own, you're doing things by yourself, it's good. Do your things by yourself, because when you do things by yourself, that is the time when you are most successful. You don't want anyone's help anyways. You have this divine love. So don't be like, oh, they didn't support me, like that. You don't have to be that, because you are going to support them. I feel like that you will be healing your family patterns, that blockages. All, you will be the one who will be like doing something different. You will be helping your family members. I'm getting that energy. You will be like a healer to them. You will be healing yourself, and you will be healing your family members. You will be doing something. You will be you care for your family. Okay, I feel even though if you feel you're alone, you're doing something different, you are not getting that support from your family, but in the future I see you will be getting the support. They will be acknowledging your you. Okay, they will be like very proud of you. I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you, and for some of you, if you're married, you're you will get the support. I'm getting here. You will get the support. Everything will be balanced. Your family life will be balanced. If that is what I'm getting. Even if you're feeling that you're doing things by yourself, don't worry, because you're powerful people. Divine knows you're capable of that. Okay, and you don't want anyone else help, because you will be able to do it by yourself. You just need to trust yourself, trust universe, trust the divine power, and go with your heart, because that will lead to a lot of success, and you're gonna give lot of happiness to your family also. I'm getting you will make your family proud. I'm getting that energy also with this passion. This is completely different. Whatever you're doing is completely different from other people. You're doing some different thing. Your career might be very different from other people. You're in your family, no one has ever done that kind of, you're completely different from other people. You're spiritual. You will be giving advice to your family. I'm getting that energy also. You'll be helping your family. Okay, look, surrender to the wisdom of your body. Look, yeah, so your body is giving you answers. So if you feel sometimes off when you meet some people, if you feel off, if you feel uncomfortable, that means that person is not good for you. If you feel very good, happy, that means that is good for you. You can trust your body. Your body is giving you answers. And for some of you, if your body is saying it's time to drink water, go and drink water. Okay, if it's time to exercise, if your body is saying just exercise, just go and exercise. Listen to your body. Okay, health wise also I have to say that if you're not taking care of your health, you need to take care of your health. That is also a message is coming. Okay, for some of you, if you're trying to conceive, don't be harsh on yourself. Okay, sometimes it is difficult, so I am getting that. Don't be harsh on yourself. Just eat healthy, focus on yourself. Don't let anyone's else negative emotions affect you. Let them go. It's your journey. Yeah, believe in yourself, and that is what I'm getting. Take care of your body. That is what. Drink water. Take care of your body, because it's winter. Maybe some of you are not drinking that much water. Hydrate yourself. Okay, that is what I'm getting. So if you want to have a kid, we have the sun energy and a small kid here. So yeah, if you want to have a family, if you want to have children, that is possible for you. You will have it. Don't worry about it. Also, you will have a very beautiful family. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, slowing down. Yeah, with this tortoise energy, everything is going correct. You're going. You feel like things are not moving very quickly. Yeah, but things are moving good. Okay, things are good for you guys. That is what I'm getting here. Things are good for you guys. There is no need to rush. Be like the tortoise, because slow but stable, slow and steady. Even though your growth is slow, even though you're moving very slow, things are slow, you feel like things are very slow, maybe you're comparing. Don't compare yourself, okay, because you are meant to shine, because the tortoise will win the race, right? At the end of the day, you will win the race, so you don't have to worry about it. Go slow, because when you go slow, you will be, you have to learn a lot of lessons also, because you will be, your experience, you will be giving this wisdom to other people also. So you have to learn certain lessons, right? So go slow, don't be impatient. Impatience, I'm getting this word impatience. So impatience is only the thing that is stopping you from achieving your full potential. So don't be impatient, guys. Patience is very, very necessary, and you will get the respect you deserve. You will be you will be in this high place, okay? You will have this high place. I feel people will recognize for who you are. You are meant to have a high place. So right now, if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling that you're not moving forward, slow down, it's okay. And for some of you, definitely you need to take a break. If you're overworking yourself, take a break, guys. Take a break, relax, sleep, and then work. That is important. Breaks are very important for you guys. You need to rest also, I'm getting here. Anyways, for you, I see is like a lot of family love, divine connection you have, and you will have all the happiness. You for some of you, you will be enlightened also, I'm getting here, okay? If you meditate, you will be loving everything about this. You'll be so happy that when you see a bird, you will be happy. When you see some small insects, you will be happy. That kind of energy, you'll be so full of happiness. I'm getting that much happy you will be. So you don't have to worry about anything. Don't be impatient. And yes, we are human beings, we get this negative thoughts, but I know whenever you are in this negative, when you feel like you're getting negative, just sit with yourself, relax, connect with your divine. Everything will be fine for you guys. I'm getting that energy also, because you're very courageous people. You have endured a lot in the past. Now it's like the time of, it's time to shine. But go slow. No need to be very, very, you don't have to be very quick. There is no race happening, you just go slow. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see. I have stickers for you guys. Okay, so what is the messages for you guys from Isis Goddess? Let's see. I'll do charms also, guys. So okay, oh my god, let's see. Okay, wherever you go, bring your own sunshine. So yes, I feel like that, you're going to be very, you're going to shine. You're born to shine here, and wherever you will go, you will bring that sunshine. You're meant to shine. People will notice you. I'm getting, you're recognized. You will be recognized, and for some of you, definitely you're going to glow also. You're going to change your, together is the best place to be. Family, your family is very important to you guys, and when you connect with your family, you'll be feeling so relaxed. So spend some quality time. I know that for some of you, definitely you love your alone time, but sometimes you need to spend some quality time together. If you have a partner, spend some time with them also, and you'll feel very relaxed, very happy. Okay, that is also coming through. Create your own story. You're meant to write your own story. As I said, you're not going to be doing the same thing that other people are doing. You're going to do something different, something unique. Okay, and yes, people will appreciate you for that. Something different. Your career will be quite different from other people, something very different. So you don't have to rush. Everything will happen in the divine timing. Do what you love. I feel you're the luckiest one, because you will be doing the things you love to do. You are not going to do something that is you don't like. You'll be following your passion and doing something you love, whatever it is. Interesting. Be yourself. Everyone is already taken. So this pile is like the unique ones. You're definitely the unique one. You're different from this. You're not meant to go with the crowd. You're meant to stand out. Okay, that is also. And yes, be yourself. Believe in yourself. If you're doing something different, do that. You don't have to be anyone else. You are different. Okay, you are you. So believe in you. Okay, everything starts with a dream. Everything starts with everything starts in the mind, and then this remember, we have this pineapple also. So remember that everything starts with a dream, and when you focus on that dream, when you believe in that dream, that is when it grows. So just if you have a dream right now, just go for it, because you will, because if you have not started yet, it's time to start. As I said, it's time to start. If you're waiting for something, no, don't need to wait. If you want, have that passion, if you have that dream, just go with it, because I see that your dream will bloom. Okay, the sun is gonna shine for you guys for sure. Okay, and you know, you need to eat some fruits also. I'm getting here this pineapple, you know. Yeah, let's see what are the charms have to add to this. Wait a second. Okay, let's see the charms for group number 3. What are the charms? Okay, so we have a letter R here. Yeah, as I said, you're very, very protected. You're very, very protected. And I told you, you will be recognized. You will be recognized. You will be respected. You will be highly thought of. And that is it. Sure. And look, we have this red color. I was talking about the red color, isn't it? Look at that. So yeah, you are... you have a passion, it's time to go. If you have started it, don't be impatient, because that will bloom. And your relationship are also going to be passionate, I feel like that. And if you have, your family life will also be good. You don't have to worry about anything right now, so just don't be impatient here. Okay, look, you're building your roots, you know. It's time to, you know, because the roots will grow out and you will have so much. So it's time, you know, now you're here and you will grow, you will grow. Okay, don't worry. And with this, I feel your ancestors are also near you, protecting you. Okay, you have the connection there. Look, a lot of loyal people will be coming here, and your relationships are going to be loyal. Your friends, you will meet loyal people in your life. I'm getting here that also. Maybe for some of you will have a pet also. So spend some time with them, you know. A lot of peace, you know. We have this 3 number. Maybe you are seeing 333s or something like that. Like you know, your mind, body, soul is going to heal, and you will be connected with the divine, you know, divine growth. A lot of expansion, growth I'm seeing for you guys. So look, we have this an angel again. You know, as I said, a lot of angels are near you, and you're meant to fly. You're meant to fly high. Okay. And yes, you have the solutions to every problem, and it is you know, it is inside you know, you have all the answers. You just need to believe in it. Look, love, you're someone who is very unique, and I feel you're going to be very, very loved for who you are. I'm getting that energy here. Okay, and RT is there. So yeah, wow, let's see what else. We have E, we have A, ear. Okay, some good news is coming. R, because with this ear, I feel like that some good news is coming here. Oh my god, look at that, you got again. Oh my god, maybe you're clairaudience. So your thoughts, you know, whenever you have a thought, whenever someone says to you something, maybe it is like a message for you guys. If you have kids, so listen to them. Okay, maybe they will give you a message out of nowhere. And for some of you, definitely you hear things, and so yeah, you hear things, and that is your message. You need to trust that. Okay, and we have a name here, definitely Ria. Okay, and yeah, or for some of you, I don't know, I'm getting this hair. If you're growing your hair or changing your hair, you'll be glowing. Your hair will be glowing or something like that. Yeah, I don't know, with this hair also I'm feeling like that. Okay, and yeah, you're going to be this air element. I'm getting, I don't know why I'm getting this Aquarius vibes here, where you will be creating something very unique, something different. Okay, and that will be loved by other people. You're meant to do something unique. Okay, something different. Your career is going to be completely different. Something very unique, but that you will be very passionate about it. You're going to love that thing. You're not going to do something that you don't love. You're going to do something that you love, and that is your blessing. I feel like that Isis goddess wants you to know that. Okay, and with this year, definitely listen. If you hear something, trust that, because that is the divine message for you guys. Okay, yeah, I'm getting that your thoughts, maybe you're hearing something, because I get that clairaudience vibe, because you got 2 times, we have like year and year again, so that is like very important here. Okay, I don't know, this is very weird message I'm getting. I have to say this. So for some of you, you are planning to buy an earring. Okay, I don't know, it's a gold earring or something, I don't know, but you want to wear a earring or something, so just go with it. I don't know. That was very okay, I don't know, I just said it because when I get, and now I just said it. Okay, if I don't know anything about that anyways. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye, take care guys.